We launched the first edition of Natural Awakenings here in Naples, Florida in January of 1994. I was working as a health practitioner myself, and I was doing a newsletter to educate people about the work I was doing, and I saw everybody else was passing around their flyers and business cards, and I thought, we need to get all this information together. I had been in a transition and just really praying and asking, well, how can the universe use me in a way that can impact people? I did not have a background in publishing. I just had this lifelong interest in this. And at that time, I thought I was pretty tuned in to what was available in this community. And as it turns out, there was so much more. And as you started networking, people would say, you should talk to so-and-so. And it was just so much fun to meet people in the community. I loved hearing their stories. And as it was building, I had no publication to show them. I had no background to point to. But I would say, well, you know, Dr. Perlmutter's going to write about this, and so-and-so's going to write about this, and this is what's happening. So as it was slowly building, I was able to share and create that participation that was beginning to happen and that excitement about it. What you'll find in Natural Awakenings is subject matter like natural health, green living, healthy kids, natural pet, acupuncturists, massage therapists, solar heating companies, solar panels, anything for the environment. Often we'll feature some of our advertisers in the articles because they're doing such interesting things, and people like to hear about their personal stories, why they're doing what they're doing, and also get a sense of why they would visit a certain health practitioner. We often do expos and networking events and other things that feed into the magazine. And of course, these days we have our websites and the social media. It's been such an honor for me, you know, to be the publisher here for the Naples-Fort Myers edition and to watch what's happened over the last 20 years in my community. The expansion of the health food stores and workshops and events. Most free publications don't have the amount of content that we have. And it's part of our formula, our success formula, the blend of the national content. And so we get to interview leading figures in this movement, Deepak Chopra, Dr. Andrew Weil, and collectively with all the magazines, if we call to interview somebody, you know, they perk up because now there's over 3 million, almost 4 million readers collectively a month. It was a lot of fun from the beginning, you know, and it has been all along, and it's hard to believe it's 20 years later.